Hello, this is Carly Lowe, University Archivist. I'm here to show you how to search the collection of digitized La Torre yearbooks in San Jose State's digital collections. These yearbooks span the years 1910 to 1965 and provide valuable contextual information on the history of our university, as well as compelling images of campus life. This is part 1 of this 3-part tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to locate the La Torre yearbook collection and view a particular yearbook. Start at digitalcollections.sjsu.edu. This will bring you to a choice between 3 different digital collections you can browse. To find the yearbooks, select Special Collections and Archives. The page that opens has a list of all the SJSU digital collections and exhibits ordered alphabetically. Scroll until you reach San Jose State La Torre. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to enter the phrase La Torre, then limit your results to San Jose State La Torre. Now you have a list of all 55 digitized La Torre yearbooks. You can sort the list by date, or limit your results to the year you want to search. Selecting a yearbook will open a page with a book view. At this point, you can flip through the yearbook or search for a particular word or phrase that may help you more quickly find what you are looking for. Keep in mind that the software that allows us to turn scanned images into text does not always read the words correctly. Sometimes you can find what you are looking for using a partial word search. Remember, research is always trial and error. Archivists are here to help you with any searches. Please reach out to us at special.collections@sjsu.edu. For more information on searching within a yearbook, please see video 2 of this tutorial.